Siyabingelela baba udokotela baba sisibo ujabulile ufana umhlenje ekhehlela umlungu kubantu abaku TikTok. Now we are doing shoot 2 and our topic of this shoot is attain code 786KGN. This is baba udokotela baba sisibo ujabulile ufana umhlenje ekhehlela. Uyazi kunezinto esizifundile ngabantu esifunda ngabo, people who were very smart, people who were controlling the masses, people who were leading. And then we learned a lot, but there are certain things that they have said esingatshelwa ngazo esikoleni, because if sengake sifundiswe ngazo ukuthi did you know ukuthi usibani wakwakhuluma kanje, but lento ayikho in documents. Yabo. Ake sikhulume nje ngoNapoleon the Great. uNapoleon was a fighting soldier, but as a fighting soldier, he knew that after conquering the land, you need to have an instrument like a drone there to be above people. When people see this drone, there will be discipline, because they don't know whether this drone will rain hellfire, or the drone is just for the weather, or the drone is just mapping out, or the drone is following the missing car. And each drone is capable of anything. Engisho ukuthi Napoleon Bonaparte into akayisho lana iwathi asisunguleni ireligion. Asisunguleni akube khona ireligion or aspromote any religion in order to suppress the poor from not attacking us. Because they will know ukuthi though they shall not kill, but we have killed their parents. Though they shall not steal, but we have stolen their land. You understand? Base basibekela ibridge okufuze siwele kulona kuphela singaweli ngezip line. Basibekela lo bridge ukuthi though we shall not do anything stupid, because there is heaven, but we cannot map heaven uthi ngalaphi. Bona nje abahlale kulo mist of understanding ukuthi there is heaven, and abahlale banganyakazi. Abaqhubeka bebephuwa. And then uma ngizoyisho nje kahle nje lento, ireligion, it has been used as an advanced, not scientific, it's an advanced weapon in order to castrate men without complaint, because if indoda ikhuluma amasende igada ebukhosini iassume ukuthi yona uma ifa iyobusa kwelizayo, happy to be castrated on earth so that ezoserve iking esemhlabeni. That was religion that was used. A religion, it has been used especially to northern Africans to kill them as much as can be killed, but babe happy ukuthi they died befele enkolweni. Kunomuntu ojabulela ukuthi ufele uze wafa ethandaza but engafuni ukuthatha medication ezomsiza. How's that? Uze wafa uthandaza ikhona nje medication ungayithatha ngani? Wena ubelieve ukuthi ufele enkolweni uyobalwa namaqhawe, awekho amaqhawe ozobalwa nawo. And into efuna ngikutshele yona, the religion has been used to cement much of our times engabe wenza izinto by reading the religious scriptures like Bible or Quran. You waste so much time. Hence these people, they are researching where to find oil, gold and diamond. Tina sifunda iBhayibheli, tina sifunda iQuran. Hoping iQuran will pay our bills, hoping iBhayibheli will pay for our school fees at school. None of those religious documents will ever do that. Engisho ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zifika kuthina as if they are brainwashing us. Guess what? We as Africans, special Africans, wherever we are, we can live much better without these two gods. Without these two gods, I'm not mentioning their names. You know your God and they know their gods. Without these two gods, we can be much better, because there is no symptoms even in our DNA, even in our blood test. If when there were a blood test, kuthiwa une shortage of God. Put more God. Kisisho ngamabomu lezi zinto lezi. Yeah. Bantu bakithi angikuveze lokho. I did say last year ukuthi ngiye India. Ngaya e-India. kunezinto zase-India ozenze India uzibone India ziphelele India futhi. Ezinye izinto uthi uyitshela umuntu angazibelieve, ezinye ngangiyishutha. Ngiyiphost abantu bezibona kodwa kwase India okuningi sizokhuluma ngawo uma sihamba siqhubeka senza izinto. Engifuna ukusho lokho, if you are serious about not being poor forever, do this. Kunabantu abasikaza ungathi abakuthanda ukuhlupheka but izinto abazenzayo izokuhlupheka. Number 1, mhlawumbe uzongang-understand. I have to tell you the truth. Number 1, lahla le wallet yakho endala. I repeat, lahla le wallet yakho endala. That's number 1. Ilahle le wallet oyidingi. Number 2, hlukana nokugqoka ingubo ezidabukile. Ingubo ezidabukile, they are embracing the negative spirit emzimbeni wakho. They keep you poor or subject you to poverty. Ingubo ezidabukile. These things kuzoba ingubo yokulala olala ngayo. Refuse ukuthi unkosikazi wakho akulalise ngeshidi noma ngoblanket noma ngeduvet edabukile. Lezo zinto lezo are symbols of poverty. Kuzoba izicathulo ezindala. Sibone esesisidala la kuwena isicathulo silahla. Amasokisi is even worse if esedabukile. Lezo zinto lezo ungakuzama ukuthi ufuna ukwenza into ezokukhipha ekuhluphekeni kodwa wena imodel yakho ne-mindset and concept yomuntu ohlupheka straight, meaning that ama-demons of mammoth spirit, they cannot leave you because you look like them. You look like them. Let's do this. Even old medication, yabona medication ekhona endala idliwe sibanibani, ilahle i-medication efuna ibe seshalofeni yakho, i-medication lena eniyisebenzisa quite often. Hayi medication ese-expire. Yonke leyo nto ibamba imoya yokuhlukumeza, imoya ye-poverty. Ngalo ndlela ingakho ngithi mina, if ngempela we are serious about living poverty, iyakuphuma nje gqokeni ikipa edabukile. Uyazi understand, umfana omuhlangana naye today efake ijini edabukile emadolweni yadabuka nala ngemuva eyithenga esitolo nje, singabheja imali bokumvimba emgaqweni ubheka ukuthi 1000 uliphethe nephaketheni, 1000 nje uliphethe nephaketheni. Ngiyakutshela mina, ngitshela into engiyaziyo, that person ogqoka into edabukile else from today hamba uye kulomuzi lona okunemedication eningi ekhapitheni nogogo hleze egula bona, kodwa imedication elaphana eminye useyilandile uyilanda kusekhona emi, lokho akasoza sinda because there's a spirit of death within the house. There is a spirit of death within the house. Lezo zinto lezo sineshow yazo. Sineshow yazo. Ingakho sithi thina zisuse lezo zinto lezo. Anyone, even your ex-boyfriend, uyakhumbula sisesahamba ngekama kamnandi, i-wallet yakhe ayihlezi ino-70 rand noma 90 rand, namathikithi elotha aluzile, nama-receipt amaningi kaseyitolo kade ethenga ngawo. I-wallet endala, i-wallet esidabukile, it attracts poverty. I beg you and I repeat, I beg you. I-wallet yakho, it must have money at all times. Even noma ngabe u20 rand, uma usubona ukuthi umdala u20 rand, ushintsha akube u20 rand osemusha nje yabo. Hayi lo 20 rand usuthambile, u10 rand usuthambile. Akube imali esevibe lesene spirit, because money carries a lot of spirit. I mean lot of spirit. Oh, understand? Njoba na uno 10,000 rand ebank. If ibank lingake likudalile isitoro ongas-understand uthi uya withdraw, uthole ukuthi no minus 37 rand ungashaya phansi because the spirit of money has left you. The spirit of money controls everything around you. That is why ngithi imali endala kuwallet yakho ayingahlali. Imali enamasalute edabukile ayingahlali. Try by all means imali edabukile i-recycle ukwazi uthola imali ephilayo. Ngoba asizokwazi ukuthi sisize abantu to attain wealth, but ama laws of attraction singabatshelanga. Laws of attraction are very, very important rather than having a lot of money. But unezinto vese wena ezixosha imali. Yes, this is Babu Dr. Babu says watch Alpha and Pleasure Ketlum Zula Mangling Sang Soul Foot and Police. Yeah. End of an angel. ngibile ngayi-India ngabe ngithenge i-Captiva nge-India ngavala ngihambe hlala phesheya ngafaka inyama emanzini kunendawo lapho ekugezwa khona ubuso nezandla ubuso bakho uma ubugeze laphayana nezandla zakho azigeza laphayana it will never be the same again mengibuya ngoJanuary 23 ngathenga imoto entsha brand new one of my bank accounts ngine-credit card mina inemali ongathenga i-RDP ngithatha i-credit card inemali ongakwazi ukuthenga i-RDP wabayibonaphi inyanga koLwesine inyanga ze-stress kangazifuna abantu sha amakhwele iyona ihleli idla ukudla kamnandi ngamxosha khona ubaba bengishayele wengikhuluma naye ubebiza kakhulu bekuthiwa Abu you remember that I used to call Abu no I got him fired I've got Umande now uBaraki nice guy can't speak isiZulu madoda labantu laba but luyana ngamxosha bese ngihlupha ngamxosha this year when I returned from India I fired my cameraman I employed another one I employed another driver I employed quite a few people and I still managed to buy myself a car inyanga zine-stress zilinda abantu mina ngidla kamnandi kodwa ngeke yabo ungabunaki ubukhulu bomkhaba mnaba ubukhulu bukaNkulunkulu hlwana lo mkhaba ngicindezela ngayisesteri yakho hayi bunqasa konke siyashutha I wish Abu was here. I was gonna laugh. Yama Ben. Bese sesiqedile ukusho songilethele ijuice lebiza. Yeah. Ngihlala pe front desk. Une-stress uthi babudokotela abantu sesiholani namhlanje akasebenzi uyashutha madoda usebenza kune-code engizokunika yona imali nje uma ufuna umusuthi yabona mengithi yithi mina Bhuwani Yakhum ngitshela ntamba mzola lophethe malini Bhuwani Yakhum i-code le jikelele wemali ngizokufundisa ngalo code ngiyithathe eIndia uma ufuna imali userious ngizokunika i-code le code ngiyikhipha ngo-1460 rand 1460 rand le code kuthiwa u786 KGN I repeat 786 KGN if you drive around Durban or Johannesburg in expensive areas uyazibona iy'moto ezinanama plate number plate uthola ukuthi ithi 2768 1768 but la 768 uhlezi ukhona enye bese nibe radical ibe no 768 GP leya code leya akuyona ukudlala leya code la ngikho ke emotweni wena onayo esimoto ngikunika leya code leyana it's 1460 rand uma ngiyikhipha le code kunomuthi engikunika wona engithi ushise lo muthi once a week shisa lo muthi ngifuna mina umuntu osebenzayo 786 KGN ya stand for Khwaja Garup Nawaz that is not a Sufi is a irank yakhe ephezulu kakhulu it's not a Sufi it's not even a peer very once kwathiwa nje Khwaja that person irank yakhe iphezulu kakhulu angikho ke lapha ngikunika le code 786 KGN you understand uyayithatha le code le mase kunika imithe u4 ozoyishisa once a week listen to me carefully once a week ushisa le nto icode mengikunika iwayigaxa lemqaleni kodwa if uqala uyibeke la izandleni zakho uma usuyayibuka uthi 786 times 21 times 21. Uma usuqedile uzoyibamba ikhodi uyifumbathe kanje. Uma usuthi Bhuwani Yakum, B U O N I space J A C U M. Stop saying it's Islam. That's not Islam. Bhuwani Yakum is not Islam. It is Spanish. That is Spanish. And then you chant Bhuwani Yakum, and 7 times. But to 786 ubiza 21 times. Which means it is 7 times 3. Kanti umuthi Bhuwani Yakum, usho khona 7 times once off. And thereafter usuyayiqoka le code le yenza njena-ke angithi code usonayo. Uma unesimo esine challenge enkulu kuwena, i-challenge yangempela, thatha i-code yakho. Umuse ubhala igama ethi Bhuwani Yakum, uyifake phansi komncamelo. 786 will appear in your dream. And then in your dream, you will see Khwaja Karup Nawaz in his reality. Ngena ku Google and type Khwaja space Karup space Nawaz. Then you'll know what to ngikhuluma ngani. Thereafter, when he appears, he will ask you what you want to attain. Ungakhuluma into omsangano kodwa. Lo code ke leyo angizokhuluma ngawo manje, but ngifuna wazi ukuthi ngiyikhiphile lo code. Leyo code leyo ngicela ukuyilungisa spelling. Awuzuthatha le code le ngoba uthi uyagembula. Awugembula, lento ayigembula. Awuzuyidla inyama yengulube for 3 days. Awuzudla ufish for 3 days. Awuzuyidla ilembu for 3 days. And thereafter, if ufuna ukuthi i-code isebenze kahle, uma uye etshwaleni ungayisebenzisi because it haram. Alcohol has a jinn. Acishe ngaya phambili kakhulu, cishe ngaya phambili. This is Babu Dokotela bawesizwe bawujala umfana umhleja kele umzulu amancinci sangisoli futhi anixolisi. Inamba kozongithola kuyona iyona le bhala lapha ethi 0824591816 063 689 8922. Siyabonga. Goodbye. Ngena ke ku channel yethu ubhale njengamanje usho ukuthi ubunyanga basemandulo. Follow us, start to share. Thank you. Siyabonga.